What's up everyone, it is Mike, Grinding Gears Garage. Today we are working on our 5.3. We got everything cleaned up, ready to go back together. So we have a pile of parts here, a fresh cam from Jegs, pack 1218 valve springs, all new gaskets, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This video is just going to be focusing on the bottom end, getting everything back together, torqued, sealed up properly. And the next video we're going to do the valves. Reassembling the heads with valves, valve springs, valve seals, and all that good stuff. Putting them back on the engine, torquing them down, putting the intake back on, and then going from there. So let's go ahead and put some music on and we'll get started reassembling the bottom end of our 5.3. Alright, so that was pretty easy. We got everything installed, our new cam. We installed the old lifters, lubed them up, put the lifter trays back on. A new timing assembly, timing cover and seal. We have the crank pulley all but on. I need to grab an installation tool to get it on all the way and seated. New oil pan gasket. We cleaned the oil pan up a little bit. And I also put on our Dirty Dingo conversion mounts for a truck, for the LS motor. So we're ready for the top end install, which is pretty easy. We're going to do that in another video. The only thing on the bottom end I have not done yet, which I need to do, is I need to take the flex plate off to get to the rear main seal, but because of the engine stand, I need to do that like hanging from an engine hoist. So I'm going to wait till it's all back together. I'll pick it up off of here. Maybe I'll set it on the workbench kind of lightly just so I can get the rear cover off, then reinstall everything. And it's ready for the transmission to be mated up and put into the truck. So thanks for watching, guys. Check in next week for the head rebuild video. That should be pretty simple, pretty easy. We'll put everything back together, torque it down, and hopefully be ready to put it in the truck in the next week or two. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you next week.